Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to download videos with the subtitles using Snaptube. First, let's open our YouTube application. Let's search for our channel. Here we are searching for our channel. Let's view the channel. Here we are going to click one of the videos. Here the video is playing but there are no subtitles. Let's enable the captions. On Snaptube. First, we are going to open our Snaptube application. As you can see, the captions, the subtitles are enabled. Then we are going to share the video to Snaptube. Click on share icon. Then let's choose Snaptube. Snaptube is here. Then we are going to download the video with high quality and with subtitles. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.